Evening and Assalamu alaikum student. We have completed our chapter number 9. Now we are going to start exercise. First question is about the multiple choice. Tick the right option. Multiple choice. Put a tick on the correct answer. The characteristics of reversible reactions are the following, except only the answer will be mentioned, not the options. Write down the tick options. A. Products never recombine to form reactants. In the lime kiln, the reaction calcium carbonate decomposed to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide goes to completion because carbon dioxide escapes continuously. Right option is C. For the reaction, the expression for the equilibrium constant is D. Right option is D. Right option is D. MCQ number 4. When a system is at equilibrium state, the right option is D. The rates of the forward and reverse reactions become equal. Right option is D. Next is when the magnitude of Kc is very large, it indicates. Right option is A. The reaction mixture consists of almost all products. MCQ number 7. When the magnitude of Kc is very small, it indicates D. The amount of product is negligible. The amount of product is negligible. Number 8. Reaction which have comparable amounts of reactants and products at equilibrium states have C. Moderate Kc value. At dynamic equilibrium, C. The speeds of the forward and reverse reactions are equal. In an irreversible reaction, dynamic equilibrium never establishes. A reverse reaction is one that D, which speeds up gradually. Nitrogen and hydrogen were reacted together to make ammonia. This is the reaction and it's the Kc value. What will be present in equilibrium mixture? B. Nitrogen, hydrogen and ammonia. For a reaction between this, the units of Kc are C per mole decimeter cube. The next point is about the short questions. Now answer this short question. Let's start this, but keep it in mind that for every short question you have to write the examples. Keep in mind the previous lectures. First question is, what are irreversible reactions? Give a few characteristics of them. Write down all the answers on your notebook. Answer is those reactions in which products do not recombine to form reactants are called irreversible reactions. I repeat it, those reactions in which products do not recombine to form reactants are called irreversible reaction. Next part is give a few characteristics of them. आंसर इज करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हेडिंग देनी है आपने करेक्टरिस्टिक्स की. पॉइंट नंबर 1 इज दिस रिएक्शंस प्रोसीड इन वन डायरेक्शन ओनली. पॉइंट नंबर 2, reactants are completely converted into products at the end of reactions. Number 3, it is represented by a single arrow between the reactants and products. It is represented by a single arrow between the reactants and products. The example of irreversible reaction is given in the chapter. Note down it. Question number 2. Define equilibrium state. Write down the answer. When the rate of forward reaction takes place at the rate of reverse reaction, the composition of the reaction mixture remains constant. It is called equilibrium state. Note the example from the previous lectures. Give the characteristics of reversible reaction. Question number 3. Write down the characteristics of reversible reaction. Number 1. Products recombine to form reactant. Number 2. It proceeds in both ways. Number 3. Reaction never goes to completion in reversible reaction. Number 4. It attains the dynamic equilibrium. Number 5. Maximum yield of the product is obtained. Maximum yield of the product is obtained. Next question is, why is equilibrium state attainable from either way? Answer is, the concentration of species at equilibrium state attain the same values whether we start reactions in the vessel in forward directions or backward direction. Next question is, what is relationship between active mass and rate of reaction? Note down the answer. Active mass represents the concentration in mole per decimeter cube, and it is expressed as square brackets. Rate of reaction is change in concentration of reactants or product divided by the time taken to the change. So, when active mass of substance change, the rate also change. Answer this question on your notebook. Your homework is there. You have to learn this answer. Thank you.